My starter is chicken nachos. These are big old slabs of chicken here. What'd you go for, Daddy?
Potato skins.
Hey, there we go. I've got all the meat. Sweet potato fries. Rice. Look at your burger.
Another Big Daddy burger.
Oh. Dessert number 1. You went for a pecan pie. Here's number 2. Carrot cake. Yum. What's that ice cream?
This is the
honey ice cream.
Yeah, it's honeycomb honey ice cream.
Wow.
Chocolate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
OMG, that was so good. I'm so stuffed.
It was yummy.
Is that all you've got to say?
Yeah.
It was amazing, guys.
Bye.
The first white, Ireland originally, but we planted here before 8 years. Anyway, it's a dry white wine. It's a high in acidity wine, a little bit more mineral than the other.
Are you enjoying this, Lauren?
Loving it.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
For the nose, put your nose deep inside and smell, not like... Strawberries here or green apple. Wine in your mouth, you do this, but inside your mouth. And after the last step you say, I like this wine, I don't like it. Yamas, everybody.
Whoa, much stronger.
Yamas.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're analysing it. Red's my favourite.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. Oaky. Quite oaky.
Different varieties. 2014 also. 20% Grenache, 40% Syrah, and 40% Mourvèdre. The full body wine aged from...
Hey, there we go. Right, I think this is the last one now.
Cheers.
Alright.
Oh, that goes down easy. They're giving us a top up. A large one.
Little blades. Absolutely.
I haven't even had lunch yet. This is literally like brunch, but it's just wine. So I don't like cheese. They gave us cheese, but nah. Right, guys. I'll see you later. I've got a frozen yogurt, of course, with Oreos and some like chocolate stuff, and then this. You've just got this weird bubble thing.
A bubble tea.
Bubble. Why are you still speaking in Greek? They also put toppings at the bottom, like bottomings. Look at that. Such a good idea.
Striptease! I'm from Manchester, come on!
Well, I've seen your sexy soul song.
Jimmy,
What?
have you got any DVDs?
Yeah, I do my Saturday. Oh man, I want one of those. Yeah, get my Saturday. Okay, say hit it, man.
Hit it, man!
Hit it, man. Go see you dance, man.
Ow!
I feel good. Yeah, I feel good. Yeah, I feel good. I knew that I would.
What a sexy geezer!
Yeah, so good.
I've got it. 1, 2. Look at them lats. Oh my god. Oh my god. Show 5. 6. Get your chin all the way up, girl. 6. I can do another one. I say like +3. Oh, no, hang on, +3 in the morning time. No, wait, let me down. Hello guys, so I haven't checked in a while and today is day 14 of the cruise. We did 5 ports in a row: Athens, Mykonos, Rhodes, Katakolon and somewhere else, but I just can't remember off the top of my head. And now we're in Gibraltar, and today my dad and I, because all that's in Gibraltar, I mean, it's an amazing place, I love it, one of my favourite ports, but there's a lot of duty-free shopping and stuff, so we've got about 6 hours here. So me and my dad are gonna hike up the rock. So let's get it. There's monkeys there, and let's hope they don't kill us. Oh my god, it's holding. Go, Daddy.
Upstairs.
No, to get it. I'm a bit scared.
Come on then.
Oh gosh.
Hello. Oh, the babies.
I'm so scared of the ape. Come on.
Move on.
Uh-oh. Is they got baby?
Yeah, we can't go on them.
Oh no. Are they feeding it? Go. Oh, it's so cute.
Can we go by, do you think?
Yeah. Oh god. Oh, that's so cute.
I don't care.
No.
Hold the rope tight. Otherwise it might make yourself fall.
Bye bye, little one. Bye bye.
They're probably not supposed to go beyond this gate, but they can, you know, you can climb it on my head.
Yeah.
That's not children for you, is it?
May react aggressively if confined along the stretch of steps. Oh my god.
Oh, hello.
Oh, it's playful. It's got a funny bottom.
Hello.
Oh, that is so cute.
Hello.
Hello, you're so fluffy.
Hello, Fluffy.
Are you gonna? Is it gonna jump on you?
Do you want my hat?
Yeah. Oh, I love it. Hey, he's telling him off. Oh. They're just like little puppies.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. They're gonna react aggressively if on the stairs.
Only they cornered.
Oh, it's cute.
No.
I'm scared of it.
Go on, it's alright. They're full of fleas, I think.
Ew. Daddy, no!
Oh.
So I can see many a monkey in our path, and I fear the worst. Daddy, I fear the worst.
Uh-oh.
It's time to pass them. Hello, Fluffy. It's asleep. Oh, has it died?
No.
Daddy, you go first.
That's fine to go. Go on, just hold on tight in case you start.
Just about made it, but there's one more to go.
Oh, we're up top.
Hello.
He's a biggie, isn't he?
They're so funny. You look just like them. Ah. So we made it to the top of the rock. Many a stair, but we've done it, getting our steps in.
Oh yeah.
So guys, I found myself in Morrison's, which is an English supermarket chain, and it is literally the bloody same. It's in Gibraltar. It's basically Morrison's on seas, and look, it's better than the ones in England when it's an English company. Like, how is this even fair? I do not know. There's so much exciting stuff in this shop, but we're not going to get too much because obviously the cruise is all inclusive when it comes to food. So we have come to get booze and mixers because, you know, Lauren #fitness. Yeah. You need to be careful when it comes to things like products which say that they're sugar free and stuff, because this, for example, I just found it, so I was like, oh, a 0 maybe I'll get that. Looked at the label, there's over 200 calories in this when it says that it's low fat and sugar and whatever.